What do you think? Nummies. Do you like your watermelon? That's your Susu's favorite food. Favorite fruit, at least. She loves watermelon. Yeah. Do you love watermelon? Nummies? Yeah. Is that good stuff? It's nice and juicy and sweet. You and Susu loving your watermelon. Would you split a watermelon with Susu? Are you still deciding? Still deciding if you can tolerate it? Yay, good girl. You're a good girl eating some watermelon, trying new things. Such a good girl. Susu's gonna be so proud. Yummy. Is that good stuff? Oh, you're gonna share watermelon? That's so kind. That's okay. It's for you. Oh.